Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to update WhatsApp on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your app store. Once you're there, you can either go to your profile on the top right corner right here, then scroll down and see if WhatsApp is on the list of needed updates. And sometimes the app will not display there because it has a bug, and if you search for it here on the search bar, just by going to search on the bottom right corner and then go to search bar, search for WhatsApp, then tap on it. As you can see, it's not on the update list, but when I search for it, it needs an update. So sometimes there's a bug like that, so you need to search for the app first or individually so that you can update it. So just simply tap on update right here and wait for it. And once that's done, that's basically it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.